Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now he has the hottest track right now in dancehall and just touched down from London. Welcome, Stylo. Big up yourself.
Listen, for those who don't know Stylo G, just tell us a little bit about who you are.
Is a youth who born and grew in Spanish Town.
Yeah.
And then migrate to England and just decide I'm gonna take dancehall to another level, and you know, been coming back and forth from Jamaica to UK and won a mobile award big in the UK and start tour in Europe. So I just decided to say, yo, it's time for me to, you know, step on my real
roots.
My roots.
The
You understand me?
roots.
So for the last, you know, couple of years I've been coming back and forth to Jamaica, you know, having relationships with the DJs and the people. And no, yeah, we're up on Daytime Live.
Yeah,
so it'll work. It'll work.
Easily.
So you're saying our Soundboy peaked at number 18 on the UK charts. How do you feel about that?
That was my first time, you know, like having a chart song, chart success, you know. Trust me, life-changing thing. And I was just overwhelmed to know that a dancehall artist, you know, a youth come from the ghetto of Spanish Town, in the charts, Billboard. So that was a good feeling.
Yeah.
And
but
we got a plaque after that and all them things there.
But a lot of dancehall acts in
based
in the UK, they don't really, you know, cross over, come to Jamaica, come back to the Caribbean. I mean, what do you think? What do you think that is?
Yeah, for just...
Why you?
Why me?
What happened make you feel like, say, listen, you know, I'm going to do this?
It's just hard work, and I think I was built to do this, you know, and you have to just believe in yourself. And I believe in myself from my father. I bring me up on stage at the age of 7.
Yeah?
Just music all the way.
Who said that?
Poison Chan. Press up, we are bring back the press up with the 90s champ from Spanish Town. So, you know, I always believe in myself, and we just always keep going. When people say, yo, you can't bust a Jamaica because you're a big artist, and we just say, no, you know, we can do it just like them, and just believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself.
And speaking of big artists, I mean, Touchdown produced the Secret Hymn. How did you get Nicki Minaj and Vybz Kartel on that?
Yeah, see him, so we do it. Yeah, when them give her the sauce, well, you can't give her all of the sauce. You have to leave some of the sauce. You get me? So I really talk about the boss. Yeah. All right. So, but big up Nicki Minaj. If you have the biggest female rapper in the world on a record like this, this is my dream collab. So you know, social media, on social media, she's following me for like almost a year now, and yeah, she just liked my picture. Them with swagging and gramming. She pressed like. So she probably just hear the song where she like.
And
then she just grab the mic.
Where are you going to be for the rest of the season? Which part people can see?
I'll be at Sands performing on the 1st of January. Okay. I'll be at Marco Polo next week. Beer Shillings. You know,
excited?
The girls them want to see the year for
excited.
So we're there.
Yeah.
Well enough chatting. Brother, floor is yours. So we're going to get a clean touchdown.
Oh.
Yeah.
Freestyle. Yeah, go on.
You're not artist. Come off. I know. Come on, Bridget. Stage is yours, brother.
All right, that's enough. Daytime Live. Yeah. Music. Yeah. Just touched down in at the airport. My tracksuit and my Air Force. All of my gal them love me. Hey, all the wanna say me ugly. Hey, she go spot the designer. She want give me the everything I'm from London, Bond Street. No, never come from China, Jamaica. Hey, me pop up, me tag them. The new Benz, it a mad them. Every day me a swag them. Louis the and we back them. Listen, say me not too swim, me not like beach. I'm me too black, me not like bleach. Phone no start bring when I night reach. Wow, even them gal want try peace. I see him, so me do it. Hey, yeah, hey. Me say I see him, so me do it. Big up the whole of Spanish Town. Hey, me say I see him, so me do it. Big up all of my friend them, you know. You know, we have to look after our friend them. Yo, I saw me do it. Watch your style, you know. Hey, yo, boom. Just touch on at the hot spot. Have a million at the rucksack. Tell Biggie if he match that. Hey, but he busy on the WhatsApp. Say a girl want link for the. Me say that just match that. Hey, man a shooter we never miss anytime girl want. Hey, daytime put that money on the table. Make my friend them live like. We a celebrate them a celebrate too. What? Tell them girl if it stay too. Jamaica, see me not too swim me not like. I'm too black me not like. Phone no stop bring when a night reach. Even them gal want try peace. I see him, so me do it. Hey, I saw me do it. I saw daytime do it. Yo, hey, yo. Me say I see him, so me do it. Hey, hey. I see him, so me do it. Yo, make some nice. Just touched down in at the airport. Tracksuit and the Air Force. Daytime life. Want to want a remix? Daytime life, right?
Our remix.
Daytime life. Watch out. Just touch down pan daytime. Tell them say I no playtime. No we there on a game time. Jamaica at the same time. Man, we do it yo, same time. Stylo G on a playtime. Yo, we are freestyle pan the TV. Yo, we say just touch down pan the interview. Girl said can I interview? Now we're going to an interlude. Yo, we still have time, right? We say just touch down pan daytime. Make them know on a playtime. We are there with it same time. Big up for yourself, Stylo G. Daytime live. Make some nice people. Big up a friend there. Big up, don't know. Manners and respect.
Working.
The song is out right now, so let's take it to #1 Billboard, man.
Yes.
Support by it on iTunes. And yeah, big up my team, big up my friend them for life, man.
Listen,
thanks for having me.
Stylo G don't even know this, but there's a remix with.
Thanks for tuning in.
I heard it earlier.
Yeah, you heard it.
Boss did it, right?
Yeah. She have a remix song.
I think she could do it.
Yeah, this will do it. She a hide. She run.
Send you a producer.
Run.
You know that song, everybody.
Send you a producer.
Run.
Send you a producer.
Hey,
Producer.
hey,
Producer.
hey, producer.
Hey.
It's my English.
Just touched down from Brixton. From the Adidas kicks on. All the juicers nervous. Daytime live, yes we come.
Hey! Big up yourself. That's my English sister. British sister.
Thanks for tuning in. You can catch us back on Christmas Day for much more.
Buzz.
Yeah.
Shot.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah.
Mix.
All right. What does that roll out? See that?
Rolling out from daytime.
Hey. That's a way.
Again.
Yeah, man. Roll it again. Yeah, man. Roll it again.
Again?
Yeah, man.
All right, again. We can do it again. Yo, daytime, listen. Yo, hey, just touched down in at the airport. Boom. With tracksuit and with Air Force. Hey, all of me girl them love me. Hey, all they wanna say we ugly. Boom. She go spot the designer. She wanna give me the everything I'm from London, Bond Street. Now I never come from. Hey, how we papa for tag them. The new Benz, it's a mad them. Every day me.